so welcome to Cribs. Just gonna show you around the pod. It's a bit messy, but you know, I'll sort it out later. So yeah, just come through.
Eat your veggies.
Greatness, yeah, greatness, yeah. All around the world, yeah. You've been going green, eating vegetables, yeah. Filled with protein, but you feel so good now. You wanna boogie, new to the lifestyle, you're a newbie. But tell me that you're down to talk. Dr. Sebi all the time, yeah. In the veg shop, and you aim to alkaline. Now, a vegan lifestyle is based on a moral philosophy against animal cruelty, animal suffering. It's a way of thinking that seeks to reduce as much harm to other sentient beings as possible, whether that's with food, clothing, with lifestyle, how you treat animals yourself, you know, beating your dogs, etc. Now, a plant-based diet is based on what you eat. What am I eating? You told me that you care for them. Well, tell me, are you vegan? Don't you know that when you eat them, you cause them bleeding? Knife in the neck, Assassin's Creed. Lee, what's up?
Oh, you do? I do. To be fair though, we're really near houses, like, if you know what I mean, like, it's not like we're in the middle of like...
Paradise, everyone chilling now and feeling super nice, we even like the mice, experimental doses got them living awful lives,